What's up, prospectors? Dig Daddy out here in the car, and we're heading out to the river today. We're gonna do a little bit of digging, maybe find a little bit of gold, so stick around and let's go get that shiny. What up, prospectors? Dig Daddy out here at the spot. Beautiful location, lots of green. I brought a little green too, don't tell anybody. We're gonna make our way down and start the digging and get what we can get. Stick around. All right, while I'm coming this way, dropping in, nice little path, easy walk-ins. I like it. My lazy ass. All right, so here's our spot where I'm going to be digging today. Try to find some good boulders. I like that boulder over there. I'll have to move some other boulders to get to it, but I think I'm on. All right, let's get all set up and we'll get to digging. All right, so this is where I'm going to dig my first hole. I like this rock. I feel like this rock has potential. Move some of these big boulders out the way, because these ain't gold. No point running it if it ain't gold. Clear out a little bit of work area, you know. I got boulders falling back in on me. One itty bitty piece of color in there. I'm not gonna face it. Try that high spot right there. All right, I got tired of spot panning and not finding any flakes, so I decided to start scraping this boulder, getting some sands off of it. Usually you can find a little bit of gold in these spaces. I'm hoping that's the case today because I got to bring something home. So I got all my scraper tools. It's good to have a little brush when you're doing this, something that'll conform so you can scoop into it. Nice good scraper. Try to keep the scoop underneath where I'm scraping, so anything that falls out will fall into the scoop. Fucking nothing. What the hell? I'm not seeing anything out here today. All right. I found a new spot and I'm gonna set up my sluice. The sluice I got loaded up here with the new Prospector's Dream Mat Combo 6x16 inch. This is a little super beast of a sluice. You got your fine cleanup, you got your indicator up here that I added, a little V-mat, your fine cleanup, your mid-range cleanup, and your emergency cleanup. So you're gonna catch all those small gold in this thing. I have the midnight mining adjustable legs on here, so it should make it really easy to set up. There's a nice little spot right here. It actually might be a little bit too deep though. Ah, dang it. Switch out the 1 foot. Oh, that's not good. Look at it this way, it's all crooked. It's flowing good. It's hella crooked. There we go. That should be good. Sluice is flowing really nice. Got it all going. Got a little bit of a dam going here. And yeah, let's go get some material so we can run this. Be right back. All right, we got a little bit of dirt to run now. Got the sluice all going and happy. So let's start shoveling. Got 2 buckets to go through. hoping to see some shiny. Here's our cons. There's everything. There's the mat. Nice thick black sands down here at the bottom. Lots of garnets. Let's pour this out. Go over there. I'll be right back. Alright, clean out. Super simple. Just like any other sluice. Unscrew the lip. Slide her out. And we don't check our cons at the river. We'll pour those in a little cup here. All right, there we go. Couple buckets worth of cons. Take that home, hand it out, run it down the sluice. Don't know yet. Alright, apparently cameras are not my friend today. And, well, not the big golden smile and pile that I was hoping. But, let's do the thing. Let's clean this up. Try holding this and panning. And there's gold in there, not a whole hell of a lot. But the magnetics seem to be getting in the way. You know what I say to that. Magnetics are an easy fix. Woo! All right. There we go. Let me zoom in for you guys. Blam. That's what $3 million worth of gold looks like. How about that? Woo! Nah, I'll be lucky if that's 30 cents worth. But hey, I did bring a little bit of gold home, so, you know, it wasn't a skunky day. This is about 2 buckets. I would say it's 2 3/4 buckets because the arbor classifier takes up some space. And I basically classify till that doesn't sit flush on the lip anymore. So about about a bucket and a half, if you do all the math. You guys can check my work, but I'm pretty sure it's about a bucket and a half. But you know what? That ain't too bad for a bucket and a half. I just hope there's gold here, kind of dirt. Because that's really where I was at that point in the day, just hoping that the spot is going to have something for me to bring home. I wasn't doing too good on my spot testing. In the spot where I wanted to do my panning. But, you know what? Fuck it. At least I brought something home. So, nice. Let me get this all snuffered up. And, yeah. This has been Out at the River with Dig Daddy. I hope you guys enjoy. Tune in next time. Hopefully I'll have something better to show you guys.